Asalamualaikum friends, peace be upon you and welcome to the start of my Ramadan series. I am so excited and can't wait because Ramadan is less than a week left. In this video, we will be preparing for Ramadan, making affordable DIYs and talking about why we are fasting. So this is a really important question. Do you know why we are fasting during Ramadan and why it's so special? Most people know that fasting is staying away from food and drink, but that's not the only thing. During the blessed month Ramadan, in Surah Baqarah verse 183, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has commanded us to do so. So we worship Allah by doing this act of worship which is beloved to Allah and which He has enjoined upon us. Fasting during the blessed month is important during Ramadan as it allows Muslims to develop themselves in their faith and come closer to Allah, God. The act of fasting is meant to remind Muslims of less fortune and reinforce the need to be thankful. As one of the 5 pillars or duties of Islam, fasting during the month of Ramadan is mandatory for all healthy adult Muslims. Why Ramadan is blessed and a very special month is because the Holy Quran was revealed to the Prophet Muhammad during Ramadan. In Ramadan, the reward for every good deed is done by multiplied by 70. The blessings and reward of the month are immense. Friends, so do as much good as possible. The point with Ramadan is to become a better person and not go back to old routines. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward us all and bless us all with an amazing Ramadan this year. Ameen. Guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing? It was sunny today and subhanallah it started to snow again. I guess winter isn't over yet. Wanted to make like a Ramadan label on the Nasheed, and we actually use this coffee filter as the paper. It wasn't supposed to stain the paper, but subhanallah it happened, but it's okay. Friends, how are you and how has your day been? I hope you all are good, inshallah, and if you're not, may Allah give you shifa and make it easy for you all. Ameen. I would need all of your du'as, so please make dua for me and my family. May Allah reward you all, and I would keep you all in my du'as. friends, if you have watched my previous videos, for instance my Friday vlog, you maybe remember from that video that I bought these candles, and because I told you guys I wanted to make this Ramadan decoration, like you put henna on candles, so that's what I'm doing right now. But the thing is that I don't use any henna because it would just get a lot more messy, so I just used some paint and put it in a plastic bag and made a hole, and it actually was kind of good. It wasn't the best, but the process was really fun because I could be as creative as I wanted, and you can do that too. It wasn't actually that difficult, it's actually really simple. I really wanted to try to make that really beautiful calligraphy painting, and this is actually the first time I make my own calligraphy Arabic painting, and it does alhamdulillah, and it actually turned out really pretty. So guys, if you want a tutorial on how to Arabic calligraphy, then I would be really happy if you comment some video ideas, and if you want to see that video, and I will inshallah make one for you guys. But it's really simple actually. You use 2 pencils and then put tape around them so they're actually glued together but not glued together, and then you start tracing and painting and coloring. So it's actually really fun and creative. I was doing this with my siblings and it was really fun. If you're still watching this video, I really appreciate you because most of you have commented in my videos to make longer videos. So I made one and I hope you all are watching it until the end. I made a new painting out of my old painting. I know it doesn't make sense, but the thing is I didn't like my old painting, so I made a new one and I really love the results. It's super pretty. Allahumma barik. So you maybe wonder what we did with the lanterns. We actually put some fairy lights and put it up on the wall, and it became really cute. Then we put some fairy lights on the Nasheed, and here's how the Kaaba turned out. We put these candles on the tray, but before we did that, we placed some black stones and then spread it all around. And then we placed them however we wanted. It turned out really pretty. Allahumma barik. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and have a blessed month, have a blessed day, and see you soon inshallah. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Asalamualaykum.